All right, we're here with our final touch ceramic spray. Now this stuff you can use for two purposes. You can use it as a ceramic spray or you can use it as a waterless wash. But today I'm going to demonstrate how to use this as a ceramic spray. Now I've already cleaned the surface, which you will need to do for applying and getting the best results out of the ceramic spray feature. And it's super simple to apply. All you got to do is spray the surface and buff it in with your microfiber towel, a microfiber polish towel too, to be more specific. And I just apply it in circular motions like you're buffing a polish in. And just make sure you're covering this whole surface. Get all around. Once you've got in and done one coat, I like to go back to the beginning and do one more coat just for good luck. So, same thing. Apply it with the same towel. Nice and simple. Covering all surfaces. And once I've finished applying this, I'm going to show you how well this works as a hydrophobic formula. Now it's not a permanent ceramic spray, it is a temporary ceramic spray. So something that you can probably apply after every 3 or 4 washes, I'd say. Works really well. But this stuff, what it does do is it helps make your life easier when cleaning because water doesn't stick to the panel. All right, now that I've applied it all in there, all of the spray into with this microfiber towel, what I want to quickly do is just further buff it in with a brand new clean microfiber towel. Same motion, same action, just don't spray it this time. You're just going to work that into the panel, work it into the paint, and make sure that that product is well and truly into the paintwork. So I'm almost finished here and I'm pretty happy with that. Let me show you how hydrophobic this product is. We're going to spray a bit of water off and I'll show you how well it just beads off and makes life with cleaning so much easier. So let's grab the hose and I'll show you how it works. All right, let's take a quick look at how well the hydrophobic properties of this product do work. As you can see, the water there sticks quite thoroughly to the panel there, whereas this one here, the water just falls right off it.